Welcome to English Medium. Let's practice English with questions and answers.
We will begin now.
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing much. Just trying to stay focused.
Are you free now?
Not really. I have plenty of work to finish before the deadline.
Oh, what are you working on?
I'm preparing a presentation for tomorrow's meeting.
That sounds important. Is it easy to put together?
Not as easy as it looks. I have to do a lot of research.
How tired are you?
Honestly, I'm exhausted. I didn't sleep well last night either.
That's rough. How was your day otherwise?
It was actually pretty good. I got some positive feedback on my last project.
That's great to hear. By the way, can you fix this file? It's not opening on my laptop.
I'll try. Send it to me.
Thanks. How cheap is the software you're using for your presentation?
Pretty affordable. You can definitely afford it.
Are you even listening to me right now?
No, sorry, I zoned out for a second. I'm just bored of staring at my screen.
What shall I do to help?
Maybe make some tea for both of us? That might cheer me up.
Sure. Green tea or regular?
Green, please. It's lighter.
Coming right up. Oh, whose notebook is this?
I think it's mine. Where did you find it?
It was under the pillow on the couch. You really need to organize your stuff.
I know. I've been meaning to. My room looks like a storm hit it.
Haha, relatable. By the way, how's the weather today?
It's very pleasant. Cool breeze and clear skies.
Perfect day for a walk. Will you come with us later in the evening?
Sorry, I'm still going to be busy then. Maybe tomorrow?
Sure, let me know. Have you had lunch yet?
Not yet. I've been so busy I forgot.
Want me to order something?
That would be amazing. I'm starving now that you mentioned it.
What are you in the mood for? Pasta, sandwich, or something Indian?
I'll go with a spicy paneer wrap.
You got it. I'll order too.
You're the best.
I know. So once your work is done, any plans for the weekend?
I might go hiking if the weather stays nice. What about you?
I'm thinking of catching a movie. That new comedy just came out.
Oh yeah, I saw the trailer. Looks hilarious.
Want to come along if you're free?
Maybe. I'll see how much I get done by then.
Cool. No pressure.
Thanks for understanding. And thanks again for the tea and food.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
By the way, do you still play the guitar?
Yeah, sometimes in the evening. It helps me relax.
That's nice. I miss listening to your music.
I can play something for you this weekend if you come for the movie.
Deal. I'll try to finish my tasks early.
Great. And if not, we can always plan a chill evening next week.
That sounds perfect. I need something fun to look forward to.
Don't worry, we'll make time. Work can wait sometimes.
True. Balance is important.
Exactly. Let's not forget to live while we're busy building our lives.